Hi, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Practice. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. We're really happy you're here.
On this channel, we help you practice real, simple English.
The kind of English people use every day.
We speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
So you can relax, listen, and learn with confidence.
If you're learning English and want to speak better,
You're in the right place.
let's get started.
Hey, Emma. Good morning.
Hey, John. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. I had too much coffee, I think.
Too much coffee is very American.
That is true. Coffee first, everything else later.
Yes, today we're talking about something simple but very important.
Greeting someone for the first time.
Yes, the very first moment when you meet a new person.
That moment can feel easy or very scary.
Yes, especially if English is not your first language.
I remember meeting people for the first time can be awkward, even for native speakers.
Oh, yes, even for us. Sometimes you don't know what to say
Or how to say it.
or where to put your hands.
That is so true. Hands are always a problem.
So today we want to talk like two friends, very slowly, very clearly.
And we want to show you how people in the USA greet someone for the first time.
Not in a perfect way, but in a real way.
Yes, like real life.
So, John, let me ask you something.
Okay?
Do you remember the last time you met someone new?
Yes, actually. Last week,
Really? Where?
at a small coffee shop near my house.
Oh, nice. What happened?
I was waiting in line, and the person in front of me turned around and smiled.
That's already a greeting.
Yes, a smile is very important.
Very important, even before words.
Exactly. So the person smiled and said, "Hi."
Just hi?
Just hi. Very simple.
That's very common.
Yes, and I said, "Hey." And then I said, "How are you?"
Ah, the classic question.
The most common question in the USA.
And did you really want to know how they were?
Honestly, not very deeply.
Exactly. This is important for beginners.
Yes, when Americans say, "How are you?" it's often just a greeting.
It doesn't always mean a long answer.
Right. Most people say, "Good," or "I'm good,"
Or fine.
or "Not bad."
So, what did the person say?
They said, "Good, thanks. How about you?"
Perfect.
And I said, "Good." And that was it.
That was the whole conversation?
Yes, very short, but very normal.
This is a great example.
So let's slow it down and explain it.
Imagine you meet someone for the first time,
Maybe at work or school or a party.
or in a store.
The first thing is usually eye contact.
You look at the person.
Then a smile.
Then a simple word.
Like, "Hi,"
Or hello.
or "Hey."
Hey is very casual.
Yes, very friendly,
Hello is a little more formal.
but still very normal.
So you can say, "Hi, I'm Emma."
Or, "Hello, my name is John."
Both are correct.
Very correct.
Let's try a full example.
Okay,
I'll pretend I meet you for the first time.
sounds good.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And that's it.
Very simple.
Short, clear, friendly.
Now, sometimes people shake hands,
Yes, in the USA, shaking hands is common.
but not always.
Sometimes people just wave.
Or just smile and talk.
After COVID, many people stopped shaking hands.
Yes, that's true.
So don't worry too much about it.
Just be polite.
And follow the other person.
Exactly. If they put out their hand, you shake it.
If they don't, that's okay.
Now let's talk about names.
Names are important.
When you meet someone, you usually say your first name,
Like, "I'm John."
not your full name.
Yes, first name is enough.
And you can say, nice to meet you.
Or good to meet you.
Nice to meet you is very common,
People say it all the time.
even if they are nervous.
Especially if they are nervous.
True.
Emma, were you ever very nervous greeting someone?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell me a story.
Okay. When I started my first job, I met my manager for the first time.
That can be scary.
Very scary. I was young and very shy.
What did you say?
I walked into the office. He stood up. He smiled.
Good sign.
Yes. And he said, "Hi, you must be Emma."
Nice.
And I said, "Yes, hi, I'm Emma."
That's perfect.
But inside, my heart was beating very fast.
I understand that feeling.
Then he said, "Nice to meet you."
And you said,
I said, "Nice to meet you too," very quietly.
but that's okay.
Yes, he was kind. He smiled again.
Smiles help so much.
They really do.
So if you're learning English, don't worry about being perfect.
Worry about being friendly.
Simple words are good.
Now, after nice to meet you, people often ask a small question.
Yes, small talk.
Very small.
Like, where are you from?
Or, is this your first time here?
Or, do you work here?
These questions are easy.
And short answers are okay.
You don't need a long story.
For example, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico, or I'm from Japan.
Perfect.
You can add, and you?
That's a good way to continue.
Let's do another example.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hey, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Me too.
And now you are already talking.
Yes, it feels more relaxed.
This is how friendships start.
Slowly, one sentence at a time.
Emma, what about greetings with friends of friends?
Ah, that's common.
Like at a party.
Yes, someone says, "This is my friend John."
And you say,
Hi, John, I'm Emma.
and I say, nice to meet you, Emma.
Easy.
Very easy.
Sometimes people say, "Nice meeting you."
That is usually at the end.
Yes, when you are leaving.
At the beginning, nice to meet you.
At the end, "Nice meeting you."
Good tip.
Another thing, tone of voice.
Yes, very important.
Speak clearly, not too fast.
And not too quiet.
Even if you're shy.
I know it's hard,
But people want to understand you.
and most people are kind.
Especially when they hear an accent, they usually listen more carefully.
So don't be afraid.
Let's talk about greetings at work.
Okay.
At work, greetings are a little more polite.
Yes, maybe less, hey.
More hi or hello. You can say, "Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you."
Very professional.
But still friendly.
In the USA, work is friendly.
Not too formal.
Now, greetings online are different,
Oh, yes, emails and messages.
but that's another topic.
Yes, today we focus on face-to-face.
Emma, what is one mistake learners often make?
Think that they need big words.
That's true.
But small words are better.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
That's enough. Another mistake is saying nothing.
Because of fear.
Yes, silence can feel strange.
Even a smile helps.
Even one word helps.
So, if you remember one thing today,
Remember this, you don't need perfect English to greet someone.
you need kindness
And a smile.
and simple words.
Before we finish, let's do one last slow example.
Okay, very slow.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good.
See? That's it.
That's a real first greeting.
Simple, natural, friendly.
So don't be afraid to try.
Every greeting is practice.
And every practice makes you better.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We're really happy you practiced English with us.
Remember, learning English takes time.
So be patient with yourself.
Try to listen a little every day.
Even 10 minutes makes a difference.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Practice.
new videos are here to help you speak English with confidence.
We're learning together, step by step.
Thanks again for being here.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.